Today we're going to do an Azure lab with private DNS zones and show how to connect two vnets together so they can see and use each other's DNS. What I have set up so far is two route groups with one vnet in each route group. Then we're going to jump over to private DNS zones and create one of those. It doesn't matter what resource group we put it in, but we'll put it in my resource group 1 in West Europe. And we'll name it, and then you have to come up with a DNS name it anything. We're just going to do PrivatesDNS.com, and we're going to go to review and create. I'm going to hit that in there. Wait on that. What we need to do next is we need to link each VNet we want to use to the private DNS zone. And we'll do West Europe first. Call it link West Europe. We want to enable auto registration. That means that when you deploy a VM, it'll automatically create an A record for it. So then we'll hit create on that. And then we want to add another link for my other VNet, which is in East Asia. And we'll do auto registration on that one also. And then we will wait until those get created. Okay, now that those are enabled, we're going to create a VM in each one of those VNets. Something simple. One in West Europe. We'll call it VM1 West E. We're going to change this to Zone 3 so it doesn't yell at me. And we're going to generate a new key with that key name. Next. That all looks good. All looks good. We're going to review and create it. Create. Download the key. And we're also going to create another virtual machine over in the East Asia route group. We'll call it VM2 East A. We're also going to change the zone on this. And we're going to use the key that we made for the other one. We'll review and create this. Okay, create. Wait for that to deploy. Now that this is deployed, we're going to go back to our private DNS zones. Take a look at this here, and we're going to go to record sets. Now it should have automatically created A records for these two VMs. Well, you can see that the West one is in here. Maybe the East one hasn't come up yet. Let's refresh. Okay, now they're both in there. Then we're going to go to virtual machines. We're going to go to the West Europe one. Okay, I've opened the CLI to the West Europe VM, and we'll do a host name. host name, show that we're on the West Europe VM, and then we'll do an NS lookup on VM2 East Asia .privatedns.com, and you can see that the West Europe VNet can see the DNS come over from the East Asia VNet. And if you try to ping East Asia, it's not going to work because we haven't actually made any VNet network connectivity. And also, if you try to do a reverse lookup, that also will not work because you need to make a whole new private DNS zone to make that work. And if we go over to the East Asia VM and do a NS lookup back to VM1 West Europe .privatedns.com, you can see they can look back. Thanks for watching.